In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect Bulenox Rithmic Trader with NinjaTrader 8 quick and easy. So first things first, you want to head over to your NinjaTrader application right here. And from here, you then want to click on Connections. Inside Connections, click on Configure. And basically what we want to look for is the Rithmic for NinjaTrader brokerage. You want to double tap on this to go ahead and edit out the available connections, and it will be taken to the configured presets. And from here, you want to change your connection name to Bulenox. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. You also want to enable the connect on startup. And from here, you want to enter your Rithmic username and password. You will be able to find this on the members dashboard. And from there, you also want to make sure to change the system connection into something like the Rithmic Paper Trading Chicago. Click on the apply button, and from there, you will be able to connect to the Rithmic Bulenox. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.